Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In this video series, we are learning interface of Python with SQL database, in which we have covered how to connect SQL with Python with the help of connector. I mean to say MySQL connector of Python package. And then we have understand and do the practical how to insert the data, I mean to say record, in MySQL using Python program. And now we are going to learn how to update the record through the Python program to MySQL database. So once I will open MySQL database, so you have to simply type MySQL and then you have to select command line client and you have enter your root password, and you will see here databases. Now you can see database has come. We have created database, that is data. So we are going to use database data, and then after that we need to just see what are the table inside my database. So show tables. So here is Yahoo table. So I am going to see what is inside this my Yahoo table. So select star from definitely Yahoo. Now you can see the 4 record I have in my table. That is, first record Kamal Sharma, address is Pithoragarh. Second Jay Kumar, address is again Pithoragarh. Third Himmat Singh, address Almora. And fourth one Ramesh Singh, address is Dehradun. So I am going to show you how to update the record through the Python program. So student, I have already opened PyCharm. In this particular code, I will show you how to perform operation, I am to say update record command. So in last video student, we have understand how to insert that. So I will make sure I will comment this particular line because this command is used to insert the record. And you can see the first line, import SQL connector, that is module, import module. Second one thing, establish the statement, I am to say connection using object mycon sql.connector connect. Within that some parameter I have passed like host, that is localhost, user, that is root, password, my root password like 12345, database, here is definitely data because I am going to use the database data. And after that I have checked whether the connection is established or not, I am to say connected or not. If it is connected, then it will show me connected. And after that I will get the cursor to enter the detail, update the detail, everything, and fetch data and perform the operation in the database, I am to say record. Okay, and then after that some command to insert the record, and after that I have to comment. If it is not, so it will say not connected. So student, every time whenever you are going to perform some action, you have to use commit function along with my connection object. Now we are going to update the record. So student, once we are going to just see SQL, what we are planning to update. Here is Ramesh Singh. So I am going to change his name Ramesh Chand. Okay, and how to do that, look at here. First of all, I will use definitely cursor. Cursor provides me the facility to update that and create the database and create a table also. So now after that execute. Within that you have to provide double quote. Okay, and here you will use update SQL command. Here is table name is Yahoo. Set, what I am going to set here. So once we have to see what are the attribute of table, that is S name. So come back here, S name equal within single quote, because we are using the quotes in an alternative way. We can't use the quotes again double quote because it will be definitely create an error for me. So I will use single quote, then after that double quote. You can see here. And now student, here I am going to provide the person name as my desirable name, Ramesh Chand. And now simple I will use here where condition, as you have learned in MySQL video series. Here I am going to give the condition through the different attribute, that is SR number. So where SR number equal to, definitely here is 4, because I know the Ramesh Singh SR number is 4. After this student, what I will do, I will simple run it, and now I will wait for this. So here is something problem in this command, because I have misspelled the date, so I have to type update, and then after that I will run it again. So now you can see the command is completed, and now I am going to see what is my condition of fourth record. So you can see earlier record was Ramesh Singh, and now this is Ramesh Chand. So now I am going to just add another detail, and I am going to update it again. So what I will do student, I will comment the update statement, and I will insert a new record. Suppose that here record is 5, student name is Mohan Verma, and address is suppose that Delhi. Okay, and now I am going to insert this. So you can see connected and process is completed. So now I will see what is my record. So you can see 5 records are here, and now I am again update it. So I will comment the first line and uncomment the second line. I am going to say update statement. I want to just change the 5th one record, and person name is simply Jai Kishan. Okay, so let's see what will happen after running this particular code. You can see compilation, I am say connected and process completed. You can give the appropriate message also, which will definitely useful message. So you can see in the place of Mohan Verma, here is message, I am say record name is changed Jai Kishan. So student, I hope you have learned this particular updation process. In next video student, we are going to learn how to delete a record or by condition or whole record in a particular relation or table with the help of Python command and Python programming. Till then student, thank you, and have a nice day.